I'm eating pig's face right now. I just ordered it because it looked good. So we're gonna have a try and see how it is. Amazing. I like all food if you haven't noticed.
You know what? This is no joke. But
I'm eating all parts of the pig. Tongue. What else?
Imagine this, we just walk into a Claveria cafe and Tala's like, oh, this looks really good, I'm gonna order it. She's now eating pig's face. So this is our first Sisig.
I have a feeling I really love pig. I gotta try every part before I go. That's my mission.
What a day. Like she's eating deep fried isaw, pig's face, like what a legend. Oh my gosh.
It's actually really good. You don't like it?
Add more, go for it.
Oh my god, so much meat.
Paul John, what's up, bro? Yes. Paul John's our local friend. He's gonna take us on another waterfall mission. So, Waterfall Part 2. Let's do it. Oh man. I still can't believe she just fueled up with some pig's face for lunch. What a legend. That girl Tala is a legend. Let's go find some waterfalls. Alright, rock and roll. Let's do it. Claveria. Gravity, sometimes you just gotta go through pineapple fields to find what you want to get to. Okay. Woo! Holy smokes. Huh. Well, if you're looking for off the beaten path adventures, you found one. We are really going out there now. Woo. We're searching for KAHULOGAN Falls, swerving through the jungle in Misamis Oriental here near Claveria. Nice one. This looks like an old trail. Sort of, I don't even know. We'll figure it out. It's alright, you just gotta believe. Woo. I need a tsinelas sponsor. Woo. More than that. That's why they call it KAHULOGAN, because you just fall. It's alright, victory. Gavi. Jeez, where are we going? This is awesome. Okay, we're like climbing down this super steep gorge right now. It's ridiculous, but
wow, what a gorge!
But you know what? Look at the view we have now.
So worth it.
Woo! What a gorge!
What a gorge!
I now understand why they call it KAHULOGAN Falls. That was freaking intense. Do not come here unless you have a local friend and you're fit and know what you're doing. Woo! The rock I've ever seen it. Woo! Welcome to the gorge track, the untouristy gorge track. This is just incredible, like, woo! We're just full on gorge trekking. Waterfalls, water, nature, yes! Oh my gosh. This is why you should explore your home province in the Philippines. This is Misamis Oriental. Look at what we just found. Wow. This is one of the rawest and probably biggest falls I've ever seen in the Philippines. And it's just sitting here in Claveria, hidden away in this massive gorge, like, loving it, Misamis Oriental, yes!
Made it! Solitary drink. Where you go, but follow a guide.
Rock on, man. Tsinelas on hand.
Barefoot. Barefoot.
The 4-wheel drive.
That is freaking hardcore, man. No tsinelas. Freaking just roughing it up the side. But tsinelas on arm, so Filipino. She's got game, man. She's got
4
game.
times 4.
I'm crazy. A lot of adventures like this. I love the Philippines. No tsinelas.
Mana dia? Lapok kaayo, putik, tigias, madulas. Mana dia?
Mana dia?